Hey, everyone. It is Callie. We're going to go over the first step when you're creating a custom application. So, you want to create an application scope, which is going to be the protective boundary around your custom application. It'll serve the dual purpose of identifying the application while also regulating access to its files and data. So, there are a few ways that you can create an application scope. My favorite way, or my preferred way, not that, Studio. You would go into Studio, click Create Application, specify your application name. You can describe your application, ensure that it is in scoped and not global, and then you can edit the name if you need to. Once your name is specified, you in your scope, you can add roles to your application. You would specify the format for your app, mobile or classic, and you can go back and change this. And then you would either create new tables or search for existing tables to use for your application. Here is where I stop and I make sure I click start. And then I would hit the X. So we're going to hit start. I'm going to stop here, click the X. Yes, close this out, and let's go over to our globe. We see that we're in the test application we just made. That's one way. Another way, click the globe, go to the arrow, open list. Now this way just took me out because I've never went this way for some reason, but you have all these options for creating an application. So you could go to custom application, fill in the name, specify the menu title, and then specify a user role, create a table if you want. You would click create. It'll be done. You would see the application scope populated here. Another way is through App Engine Studio, the user-friendly way. You would go to Create App, type in the name, Esteem, describe your app, go ahead, continue, specify your roles as we did, allow the app to be created, and then go to your app's dashboard to add your data or those tables, experiences, everything involved in creating your app can be done here immediately after you create the application. And then if you were to go back to your native UI, refresh, you see that you're in the testing application scope that you just created through App Engine Studio. And that is how you would start building a custom application.